Hi, my name is Nguyễn Ngọc Vũ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in our e-learning system and how you can get access to the TESOL training course offered by TESOL HCMC. Okay, so to start with, please go to this website englishonline.com.vn and then go to the upper right corner right here. You're gonna find this link which says create a new account. Now click on the link and now put in the username that you want. Let's say I want to have this username. Okay. And your username must be unique, so make sure that it was not used in the system already. Okay, this is just similar to creating an email account. And then I need to put in my password, and when you create your password, please check that your Vietnamese typing mode is off. And also you may need to write down your password because some people just forget their password after half an hour. Now put in the email address that you use most often, because the system will regularly send you news, updates, and feedbacks for your learning activity. So make sure that this is the email that you use, and also you will get the activation link via this email address. And then for the name, please make sure that your name is in the Vietnamese order, not in the English order. This is to make things easier for the center to keep track of your learning records. So my name is Nguyễn Ngọc Vũ, and I'm going to put it like this. Yeah, I know it's not the English order, but the good thing is later you will see it shows my name in the Vietnamese order, and it helps the office to easily keep track of your work. Okay, it looks like everything is good. Let's click on create new account, and then yeah, it says an email has been sent to your email address. You need to log in and activate your account first. So you see now in the system, in my emails, I have got a message from TESOL HCMC, and it says, yeah, please click on this link to activate your account. So here I go, and voila, okay, my account is created. Okay, and you see now my name is exactly in Vietnamese order. Now the next thing you might want to do is to customize your profile a little bit. So please go to your profile, click on profile or Hồ here, and then click on edit profile right here. Yes, let me change this to English. Okay, better to be in English. Okay, so I click on edit profile, and yeah, if you want to change your name order, you can do it here too. Now the next thing we need is photos of yourself. So please upload a passport photos that show us your lovely face, your lovely smiles, because when you work in the course, it's very important to see to see your face next to your name. So let me try to get a profile profile photo of myself. Yeah, this one looks nice. Okay, all right. and just that. Now if you want to be in touch with the center, please put in your mobile phone number right here so that we can contact you when necessary, and then click on update profile. Okay, so you see now your name and your avatar photos are here in the upper right corner. Now let's go to our TESOL course. So I'm going to search for the use this keyword TESOL HCMC. Okay, yeah, just type in this keyword TESOL HCMC, and then you see this course. Okay, now click on enter this course, and it say yeah, you need to put in okay, let me say this again. Search for this keyword TESOL HCMC, and then you're gonna see our TESOL course, and now click to get access, and it says please put in your enrollment key. Now the office will give you this enrollment key, so if you do not have it, please ask them for this. Okay, so let me put this in. And we will change this enrollment key from time to time to make sure that our course is secure. Okay, voila, now you have been officially enrolled in our training course, and from here you can get access to the training materials, watch video tutorials, join discussion forum, and do quizzes. Yes, have fun, and thank you for watching.